Anyone can do it in less than 15 seconds with all the dust on the phone. Doesn't matter. It aligns automatically, removes dust and air bubbles. Just pull the dust removing tape, swipe and peel. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. This is the privacy version. It protects your privacy from both sides, 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer gives you a silky smooth surface and is fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant. And not only that, it is extremely durable. Perfect. If you like this product, make sure to click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.